So today is Friday. Today is Friday. So what is the significance of Friday with respect to friction? Anyone? So what is the significance of Friday with respect to friction? So we have learned about friction. So normally Fridays, people clean their home, am I right? So they will be cleaning their floors. Okay. So today, definitely some of you might have cleaned your home. And friction, what we were learning? Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Harish. Yes, Friday and Tuesday. Okay. So please be careful. The friction would be very, 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 very less today when you wash your floors. Okay. So please be careful. Please walk slowly. Also, please advise your brothers and sisters to walk and move or to run slowly within home when the floor is wet. Okay. So what is the significance? The friction would be very less. It is likely to fall down unexpectedly. Okay. So okay, that is one thing. And today we are going to start a new lesson. Before starting a new lesson, I will show you some interesting videos. And even before that, Trinity, what you are referring to? So I just saw that your message is sir what? So I was telling that Fridays normally people wash their floors. The friction between our legs, our palm and what not palm. So our foot and floor would be yes, 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 yes. Yes, Trinity, you are right. So it is a necessary evil. Okay, we can call it as yes, Trinity. We can call it as a necessary evil. Okay, fine. So friction is needed, but we should work with careful. Okay, fine. Okay, John, no problem. So whenever you wash your floor, please be careful. Okay. So today we are going to start a new lesson. So I will tell you that lesson after that. So the lesson would be lesson number 4, materials. Okay, lesson number 4, materials, metals and non-metals, metals and non-metals, and we will split our session into 3 sections. So I will first tell you about the question and answers of this friction lesson. Already I think the notes has been shared by ma'am. All of you might have having that notes. Okay, I would just quickly go through the question and answers 1 mark, and then we will go to the next lesson, lesson number 4, materials, metals and non-metals, page number 53, 53 page number. Okay, so yes, yes, Darshan, you are right. So page number 53. So in that lesson, before going into lesson, I will show you some videos, interesting videos. I think that it is interesting. You will also enjoy that. Okay, so by learning that lesson, you will be enjoying more. Okay, fine. So first section is just 5 minutes I will take to quickly revise our earlier portion, namely that friction question answers. See, fine. Yes. So this is yes, this is the question answer section. I hope you are able to see the screen. Can you see the screen? Yes. Thank you, Gianna. Fine. Okay, so all these answers are already given. Please check these 1 marks. The force of friction increases with roughness of surfaces. We have already seen this. So force of friction increases with roughness. So page number 173, checkpoint. Page number 173, checkpoint. Second question. A spring balance can be used to measure the weight of an object. Weight. Normally, all other balances, we measure the mass of object. All other balances, okay, we are measuring the mass. Spring balance measures the weight. So because this mass multiplied by 9.8, that will give you what? Weight. Okay, third one, the force of friction always opposes the motion of one object over the other. So force of friction opposes the motion of one object over the other. So the maximum force required to make one body just slide over another body is called, I think there is no answer. So what is the answer? Sliding friction. So please write it as sliding friction. Okay. So the maximum force required to make one body to just slide over is called what? Sliding friction. There is no answer. So it was a mistake. Please write sliding friction for question number 4. Sliding friction. Okay, the typed content was missed. Okay, fine. And fifth one, the dash is lesser than dash. So rolling friction is lesser than sliding friction. Rolling friction is lesser than sliding friction. Okay, so these are all the checkpoint questions. And other exercise, page number 180. So first one, so which of the following does not reduce friction? Answer choice D, corrugated surfaces. Corrugated surfaces does not reduce friction. Answer choice D. Second question, which of the following powders is used as the lubricant to reduce friction in machines? Graphite powder. Second one is graphite powder. So third one, so what is the name given to the type of friction existing between two surfaces when there is no relative motion? So there are two surfaces in contact, but there is no movement. At that time, the friction acting is called static friction. Please understand clearly. Okay, so when there is no relative motion, that friction is called static friction. Okay, fine. So fourth one, so why are ball bearings used in the ceiling fans and bicycles? To convert the sliding friction into rolling friction. So because rolling friction is very much lesser than that of sliding friction. Okay, lesser than sliding friction. So that is why if you convert this sliding friction to rolling friction, you will be making the friction very less, and it will last for more months or years. Okay, the duration of the object would be increased, durable, more durable. And next, true or false, same page number. So the force of friction that acts along a direction which is opposite to the direction of the motion is called, okay, so direction of the motion of the body. Okay, so this is true. Fine, the force of friction acts along the direction. Force of friction acts in this direction. The movement of the body is in opposite direction. Okay, opposite is correct, true. Sliding friction is more than static friction. No, static friction is more than sliding friction. Therefore, it is false. So it is always easier to pull a luggage which is fitted with rollers. Yes, true. So you might have seen the luggages. Even you have some luggages. Okay, so you'll be having a luggage. So like this. Okay, so there would be some wheels here. It is very easy to move this luggage with rollers. Why? Rolling friction is lesser than sliding friction. Okay, you can also try. So suppose if you are having your television table. So nowadays televisions are fitted in the wall, but some people may be having some televisions with some table. Okay, and those table may be containing some wheels. It is very easy to move the tables with wheels than the tables without wheels. That is the third one. Okay, it is always easier to pull a luggage with which is fitted with rollers, and this wheel is called a roller. Okay, fine. Rolling friction. So rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Yes, true. Rolling friction is less than sliding friction. It is true. Okay, fine. Streamlined shapes reduce fluid friction. Yes, streamlined shapes of cars, aeroplanes, submarines, ships, etc., all reduce fluid friction. Yes, it is true. Is it clear? Are you able to follow? Yes, Shivanuja, sliding friction. So what answer you are referring to? Yes. Okay, so then match the match the following. Friction. Friction refers to what? It's a force. Friction refers to a force. Okay. Air cushion. Air cushions, they reduce friction. Streamlined shape. Streamlined shape is applied in submarine. Streamlined shape. Because in order to go through the water. Fluid friction is also called drag. It's also called drag. Okay, so this is the match the following. And also please go through these vehicles. Sorry, not vehicles, the questions. Okay, short answer questions. So you would be finding very easy to. So who is this? So don't please scribble on the screen. So I again share. So don't scribble. So why do the soles of our shoes wear gradually? Also the why are the tires of vehicles are made corrugated and rough? So all these answers I have already discussed. So please go through the questions. Okay. Also long answer questions. Please go through the notes. And one thing, so this one you might have watched on the television, wrestlers. So why do wrestlers smear themselves with oil before wrestling? So in order to slip easily while the opponent catches themselves. Okay, suppose if they apply oil, okay, oil throughout their body, what will happen? If the wrestlers, so while they are playing that wrestling, so if one person tries to catch other person, oil acting as a lubricant, they can easily come out of their hands. Okay, so this is a winning strategy. Okay, so with this, I stop discussing the question answers. Okay, so please go through. If you have any discrepancies, please get back with me. Fill in the blanks. So Shivanuja is saying that answer, fill in the blanks answer is sliding friction. So what is the question? So just a minute. For Srinija, I would look at the question. 1 minute. Yes, Srinija. So fill in the blanks answer is sliding friction. You are right. You are right. So while typing, something was missed, Shivanuja. Answer is sliding friction. You are right. So please make a note, okay? Fine. So now let us pass on to an interesting lesson. So I stopped discussing, okay, stop discussing friction. Okay, so otherwise it will be boring. So we have learned something about friction as maximum as possible for your level, okay? Fine. Now, the next lesson is so materials, okay? Materials, metals and non-metals. Okay, now quickly type. So please listen to my question and quickly type. Yes, Harihara Sudan, there are 2 videos I will share. 2 videos I will share. Okay. So please quickly type answers for my questions. I am looking at the chat. Can we cut any metal? Can we cut any metal using knife? Safa Mariam, you said yes. How will you get a metal? And what metal is that? Safa Mariam. Okay, so others are saying no. Karthikeyan says yes. Okay. Aksha blade. So who is that? Safa Mariam is saying, okay. So you mean that we can cut a metal or nail using aksha? That is called aksha, not aksha, haksha. So okay, you can use. So Giona is saying that we can change shape of metal using a fire. Okay. Okay, you are right. You are right. Yes, Pugadendi. Yes, good, good, good. Sodium and potassium can be cut with a knife. Yes, Pugadendi has given the correct answer. So what force metal will, sir? So I don't get your questions, Shivanija. Water. Okay, so water force metal. Okay, we can bend. Okay, we can bend, but cutting is little bit tough. Yes, you are right. Who is so I just share the screen so that your friends can also see your answer. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so can you see? Just a minute. Oh, the video is very well here. Yes. Okay, so listen. Okay, so you can cut some metals using knife. Some of you said that you can bend a metal. You can use what is that? A hawk. Just a minute. Somebody said haksha. So HAWKSAW. Hawk saw. That is called hawk saw. So normally people come and ask, our Aksa blade kudunga. Aksa. They are saying that Aksa blade. Aksa blade kudunga. Okay. That is not Aksa. HAWKSAW. Hawk saw. If you go for engineering, in the first year, you would be having mechanical engineering portions. You would be drawing the diagram of hawk saw blade. You would be having some experiments with that hawk saw blade, cutting wooden pieces, etc. You would be doing that. Okay. So just try to learn hawk saw. What is the spelling? HAWK. It is better. I can type this hawk saw. Okay. Yes, I'm sorry. I just HAWK. Okay, fine. Okay, so that's different. I just wanted you to know that can we cut a metal just like cutting a vegetable? You are using a knife. Can you cut vegetables like a tomato or anything? Okay, so anything you can cut. Just like that, can you cut a metal? Yes, you can cut a metal. Sodium and potassium, they are very soft metals. You can just cut just like slicing vegetables. I will show you that video. And can you melt a spoon? Can you melt a spoon in water? No. So have you ever seen that a spoon can be melt in water? Even that can we do, but the material differs. Okay. Now quickly type. Just okay. Thank you, Karthikeyan, for your big answer. Okay. Yes, in acid, you are salvia. Yes, we can dissolve some metals in acids. That we can do. Now I am going to show you a small video where a spoon can be molten in hot water. Okay, I will show you that. Okay, so plastic we melt. Okay, fine. So all these things. So now quickly try to type answers. Please, all of you, please stop typing. Just listen to my question and answer in the chat box. Just look around you. Just look around you for 10 seconds. Or you can take 20 seconds. Look around you. Type the names of metals that comes to your vision. Take 20 seconds. So I share the screen so that everybody can watch it. Okay, now everybody is tumbler. Salvia is saying tumbler. Okay, metal. So take 20 seconds. I want the name of the material, not the object itself, Salvia. What is the name of the material? So just type what you have known. Bureau. What is it made up of? Harish. So Salvia, is you are saying tumbler. Is it ever silver? Is it? Can we say that stainless steel? Salvia, can we say that stainless steel? So your key. So other one is looking at the key. So what is the metal? Name of the metal. I just want you to type the name of the metal. Okay, stainless steel bottle. Tagaram table. That means iron. Okay. Door handle made out of a metal. Yes, you are right. Tumbler, bowl, plate, container, water bottle, steel, iron box, metal chain. I wonder, there are so many children in this, women children, girl children, and other boys. Okay, so couldn't you see the silver? Couldn't you see gold now? Is there anyone who is wearing gold ornaments? Can't you see the share screen? So please check if you are able to. Yes. So Karthikeyan is writing lead, magnesium, mercury, nickel, platinum. So Karthikeyan, I am asking you to uranium. Are you looking at uranium? No. Karthikeyan, I ask you to watch around you. Watch around you within your home. Safa Mariam, can't you see the screen? So no problem, no problem. I will again share. Okay. Gold, sodium. Okay, so Varnika is saying gold, sodium. Okay, silver tumbler. Yes, yes, gold. Harish, you are wearing gold. Yes, gold earrings. Yes, Ashida, good. Gold. Okay. Yes. So not glass. I'm asking only Diyashri. I'm asking only metals, not glass. Silver. Earring. Yes, it may be gold. Okay. Yes. Ring. Okay. Earring, ring, bangle. Good. Okay. So now gold stud. Yes, Hindi. Good. Yes, snacks box silver. Okay. Fine. Now, yes, yes. Gold chain. Safa Mariam. Yes, good. Diamond. Somebody is having diamond? Yes. Chat box I want to keep here. Okay. Okay, gold Otianum. Yes. Okay, good, good. Fine. So now you have, okay, now I am stop sharing. I stop sharing. Okay. Now, so you have told that you are having many metals even within your home. So many of you have mentioned the objects. I just wanted the metals. So what are the metals you have mentioned? Iron, stainless steel, copper, gold, silver. Okay. So simple metals. So all these are simple metals. Aluminium. Okay, aluminium as well as aluminium. So all of you are aware that many metals we are using. Okay, so just try to understand. So we depend on metals. Am I right? We depend on metals for our day-to-day life. Even if you look at your two-wheeler, many parts are metals. Okay, so many of you are wearing gold. What is this? Earring or stud, gold chains, bangles, rings. Okay, and bracelets. Okay, so all these are metals. Okay, and stainless steel, it is an alloy. It is an alloy. So that is different from metal. Okay, fine. So let us talk all these things about in the next class. Now I want to watch you this video. Please watch this video and then we can discuss. So this is a video.
In the lithium. As we cut off the oxide layer, we can see the shiny metal on side layer. We can see the shiny metal underneath. Much easier to cut.
See, so this is sodium metal, a soft metal. This can be cut using a knife.
In the lithium. As we cut off the oxide layer, we can see the shiny metal underneath. It cuts over very rapidly.
So it is a very shiny material. So the outer one will be the oxide layer because it reacts with oxygen and is in the atmosphere, and you would be having some gray surface. Okay, so if you remove the oxide layer, you can see the bright sodium
with a layer of
material.
oxide.
Okay, you can
Sodium
cut some
is a
material.
metal and is an excellent conductor.
Okay, it is a conductor. Okay, fine. So this is first video. And second video, so please look at this. So please watch this video. See what happens? The spoon is melting in water, hot water. Okay, fine. So just we will discuss these two videos. And one more video I want you to watch is this. I will discuss after the discussion. Okay. So the first one was sodium metal. So that is very soft metal that can be cut. So properties of metals we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay. Properties of metals we are going to learn in this lesson. Second video, it is a gallium spoon. The spoon is not ever silver spoon. It is a gallium spoon. Gallium is a metal. It is solid. When the temperature is rising up to 20-25 degrees Celsius, that solid gallium would become liquid gallium. Even if you hold the gallium metal in your palm, it will be melting. That is why that spoon, which was kept inside hot water, that was melting. It's not a magic. It is a property of the gallium material. Okay, gallium metal is solid at lower temperatures. At 20 degrees Celsius, it is solid. When the temperature is raised to 25, even in room temperature, gallium will become liquid. That is why the spoon was melting. Was it interesting? Have you ever seen this video before? It is not sodium. Zeolite is not sodium. Second one is gallium. Second one is gallium. Okay, gallium melts at higher temperatures. The third one, now I am showing a video where iron can be molten. So iron can be melted and it can be used to make some dyes. Just 1 minute I will take. So please wait for 1 minute. We have 10. We have 50 seconds. Please watch this video. So they are melting iron pieces. So it is molten iron, okay? Molten iron. They are making some dyes. So they are melting the iron pieces, iron particles by high temperatures about 1300 to 1800 degrees Celsius. After that, they have a dye here in the sand. So they will pour it. They can make some ornament. So very high temperature. So this is and this knife is made out of that iron as a die. Okay. Okay. So I will show this video also in the next class. So now, can you get some idea? So the next lesson is materials, metals and non-metals. We would be learning about more metals, properties of metals, uses of metals. Okay, so that is the lesson is all about. Fourth lesson. We will discuss it in the next class. So wish you all a happy, a nice weekend. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.